From a yard to abroad, one Jamaican living in Florida is proving that a little island flavor can go a long way. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature Beezy's hot Jamaican pepper products. Here's Deirdre Thomas.
A spicy business from a sweet birthday is the story of Beezy's hot Jamaican pepper products, a birthday gift that unwrapped into a business established abroad and available locally. A few pounds of Scotch bonnet, peppered with a whole lot of Jamaican pride. Elizabeth Bunny is the CEO.
I wanted giveaways, but I didn't want the usual shot glasses, coasters, stuff like that. So I wanted to find something that was different. And I went somewhere and they were giving away at a restaurant small pepper sauces in, I think it was 1 ounce containers. So I thought it was a good idea. So I can cook, I think I'm pretty good at cooking. And I decided to make some pepper sauces.
Originally, it took just 4 pounds of Scotch bonnet, costing her about $20 to bring the first batch to life. Since then, the business has grown beyond a single sauce.
I don't just have the 3 that you see here. There's also a curry butter that I also do. So and even with those, we're now going to have to go up to about 4 or 5 cases a week.
But growth hasn't come without its own kind of heat. The business isn't turning a profit, at least not yet. And ironically, the very ingredient that ignited the flame is now the hardest to secure.
Scotch bonnet peppers. That is my biggest major problem. Because today I can get, next week I can't get. Because I'm in the States, I rely on the farms in Florida. Sometimes I can't get. So we have to rely on importing from Jamaica. Just call pepper farmers, call me. I need you.
Rising tariffs are also bringing an extra burn to her business operations.
I reached out, I said, because I realized we were growing. So now I needed to be buying bulk containers. And I reached out overseas to get my containers for the sauce and the oil. And I got a quote. Not bad. I would say about 3 weeks ago, I said, okay, I think I can do this now. It went up by $1,000 because of tariffs.
Still, Mrs. Bunny insists on keeping it pure, no additives, just natural ingredients that celebrate the flavors of Jamaica.
I have 0 water. I only use olive oil. I use avocado oil for my oil. There is no preservatives whatsoever in the products.
Now, she's no longer a one-woman show. Her family has joined the journey from designing labels to stirring pots, with eyes firmly set on capturing the Jamaican market.
So within 5 years, I want to be manufacturing right here in Jamaica. And I would love to retire from my regular job.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.